Once you understand basic math principles, you may not always recognize them when you use them in real life, just like you probably don't notice the alphabet each time you read. This concept has obvious applications in the real world. That includes dividing something into equal pieces, exchanging money, comparing prices, understanding time, and making calculations during travel. This kit has the hands-on activities which helps kids to easily understand such important concepts like factors, multiples, highest common factor, lowest common multiple, prime factors. What is factor? A number that divides another number perfectly is called a factor of that number. For example, 24 divided by 8 is equal to 3. So, 3 and 8 are factors of 24. But kids always have misconception that 3 plus 3 plus 2 is equal to 8. So 3 is factor of 8. But it's not a factor of 8. Activity 1 and 2 helps kids to easily understand the concept of factors using grouping method. Activity 3 is continued use of a material provided to find multiples of a given number. Activity 4 and 5 helps the kid to learn about finding LCM and HCF of two numbers using two boards in a simple way. By doing a hands-on activity, abstract concepts like LCM and HCF will be better understandable. Last activity is an interesting board game. This game helps kids to revise the concepts that they have learned in previous activities.